Here's a few things you must know about carrying a concealed weapon, but might be too embarrassed to ask. But first, quick reminder, we have that gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. People who are new to concealed carry often have a lot of questions, and they should have questions. And those of us who are experienced gun owners should encourage those questions. Still, some people in the gun community have not quite embraced the level of sensitivity I currently use. Green tea, delicious. As a result, some people may feel uncomfortable asking questions when they are new to concealed carry. As a sensitive, caring, new age man, I endeavor to be proactive and will try to answer some of the questions I think people are hesitant to ask when they begin carrying a gun. Question number 1. Yes, it will feel odd the first few times you carry your gun. You are going to think everyone is looking at you. You might feel like your gun is printing or showing. You will constantly be reaching to adjust the gun or check that it's still there. All this is perfectly normal. Getting good gear, specifically a good belt and holster and a suitable cover garment, will help. Then you just need to get comfortable with carrying the gun. Remember, it's perfectly legal and it's the right thing to do. Number 2, no, you don't have to go all Captain Tactical to be a good concealed carrier. Some people will have a gun, a backup gun, spare ammo, 2 lights because 2 is 1 and 1 is none, a tourniquet, a tactical folding knife, and more. Now, if you want all of that to be part of your kit, that's just fine. Train with the gear you carry and know how to use everything that's on your belt. But if you only want to carry a gun, then only carry a gun. The gun is only a tool. Your brain will get you out of most situations. You can do this. Start small and do what you feel comfortable with. Number 3, yes, please carry your defensive pistol with a round in the chamber. All modern defensive pistols are safe to carry with a round in the chamber. Practice good trigger finger discipline, and if you don't know what that is, look it up, and good gun handling skills, and you will be just fine. Your gun is not going to go off. A gun must be made to fire. So don't be afraid to carry with a round in the chamber. You won't have time to chamber a round in the event that you get attacked. Do you carry with a round in the chamber? Because if you don't, you need to watch this video right next to me because it's dangerous not to, and I'll explain why. Yes, you should carry with one in the chamber.